Today I'm going to teach you how to draw the cue ball. Hello and welcome to Learn Billiards. I'm Eddie Altman, your PBIA instructor. Alright, now we're at the table. I'm going to teach you how to draw the cue ball. Remember, chalk up, extremely important when drawing. Want to line your shot up. Keep that cue stick. You want it level. You don't want to jack up the butt of the cue. So keep it nice and level. You want to follow through, and you want to hit about 2.5 tips below center. And there you can see the action of the cue ball. Well, let's try that again. Try to give you a better angle. Remember, chalk up, extremely important. Very easy to miss cue when you're drawing. And remember, don't jack up the butt. If you jack it up and you had an angle like this, you're going to jump that cue ball. It's going to go off the table. That's how to draw the cue ball. So here, I'll try to give you a better angle. I line my shot up. You see how my cue is nice and level. I don't have the butt jacked up. You can see the tip. I'm about 2.5 tips below center on the cue ball. That's where you want to hit. And remember, I'm just going to do this in slow motion. You want to follow through. Don't be afraid to follow through. If you just jab the cue ball, you're not going to get any draw on it. Remember, follow through. That's the key. Keep the cue stick level with the cue ball and follow through. Here's a great example of how much draw you could get on the cue ball. Today we're doing a 2-piece cue giveaway. All you have to do to enter is leave a comment below. Here's the cue stick that I'm going to be giving away. It's an 18-ounce 2-piece cue. Has a hard rock maple shaft, leather tip, and the artwork on here is an overlay, not an inlay. These are graphics that are overlaid, and then a clear coating placed on top. It has a linen grip, and it's a pretty decent pool cue. I've messed around with it. Again, all you have to do to enter to win this pool cue is leave a comment below, and at the end of the month we'll be picking a lucky winner. So please, again, leave a comment and good luck to everyone.